Hi everyone, breastfeeding is as important as taking care of your pregnancy. Many moms think that as long as the baby is born, the challenges are over. We didn't expect breastfeeding is going to be challenging. How to store and defrost breast milk, not just squeeze it up and throw it in the refrigerator. What if the baby cannot latch on and crying constantly? What should I do if my nipples are peeling and bleeding? The biggest challenge is when mom has severe engorgement that has more painful than giving birth. I would like to invite you to register for our breastfeeding class today. Our midwife staff nurse, Shani, will share with you the best way to feed your baby first breast milk, how to avoid severe engorgement, and also breast massages that could help mom to ease the engorgement. With knowledge, we will have smoother breastfeeding journey.